moving on to the next stage. I've left the rear panels off for now because I could put them back on looking at the instructions, but since they're off at the moment and more likely just to fall off as I move it round, I thought I'll just leave them off now. Now, what we're doing here is the rear wheel arch. So it's much the same as the front wheel arch, just with slightly bigger wheels. So completely unprepared. So we have two of those LEDs and two more of these cables. Let's empty that. It's good to see that getting through the bags. Means we need the end. Okay, now same challenge as the front, although these should be a bit easy since they don't turn. It's getting the wheels off, as they are quite sturdy. There we go. Right. Oh, I'm missing a piece there. I'll add that in a bit later. Actually, I'll move this out of the way because just take up space at the moment. Yeah, you'll notice I've taken these rear exhausts off if you've got the kit. Essentially they kept falling off, so I thought I'll just take them off and put them back on once I'm all done. But yeah, that wedge has disappeared. So let's see. And again, it's not very clear exactly what they want removing, so let's see if I can work out what they're doing with the cable. Okay, it looks like that's not confusing at all. You can see here, apparently the cable's got to go in there and in there. Oh no, I see what they've done. Yeah. Right. So the cable is going to go through there and then through there. So I'm just going to run this through. It'll go. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. It's not supposed to work. It's completely blocked. Okay, it's actually going through there, which will be interesting since there's a clip in there, which we'll see. I don't think this is going to go through. Oh, maybe it is. It's a bit more awkward than normal. What you can't really see on camera is there is a blue clip in the hole I'm trying to feed this through. It probably is enough space to get this through within the clip, but it's a lot tighter. You know, I'm tempted to completely ignore what they are showing me to see if I can find an alternative route, because that's just not playing ball. Yeah, that's not going through that way either. And I can't put it through there because those two pieces block it. So, bear in mind it's going to be down there. actually clipped in, and I've just loosened a piece I can't get to. This live there probably. Yeah. Right, so what I'm going to have to do, I think, is yeah. If I run that down there, I can take that through here. Or actually, no, that might be a better option. Yeah, as you can see, some of this can be a bit trial and error. The instructions they send you aren't that bad, but they're not that great either. They're essentially photographs of the install process, which aren't always that clear, especially when you've got black cables against a black kit. Yeah, so I think what I'm going to do here, take that into there, essentially feed that through the same way as the cockpit light and the side light, so we just installed in the last section. There's a nice little gap there, so it's not going to interfere with anything. And then use the pieces I've just removed here to hold it in place. Probably run it down there, and then connect it on the bottom there. At least that's the plan. Okay, yeah. Okay, this could be interesting actually. I just realised where they want this to go. So let's see. So obviously the thing with these cables is don't want them interfering with the wheel. At least these ones don't turn, but still. Oh, they don't steer, but yeah, you could still get in the way. So yeah, so that's now secured in the wheel arch. Let's see, my plan was to run it that way. But the slight issue with that is there isn't anything holding that in place. And I can just see that pretty problematic. So what I am tempted to do, granted, yeah, means delving into my own stash. What I've done, I've raided my own personal Lego stash and picked up a couple of these. So what I'm going to do now is use these to hold the cable in place and hopefully stop it interfering with the wheel once it's back on. Also picked up one of these, so I can put that where it's supposed to be as well. That's not sitting very well. The cable was that big. There we go, it's a bit better. Right, so that's now in place. And put that back, hold that in place, and put that there, which will be tight as cables now running down the side. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'm going to do the other side. Should be a bit quicker now, I know what we're doing. He says. Sticky off the back. Try not to block the camera too much as I put this in place. Yeah, that'll do. That's essentially in the same place as the one on the other side. And I'll take these pieces out. Get that spare piece got for this side. Cable's clear, and then put that there. Yep. And then do the same thing I did on the other side. Take that under. Well, actually, this probably would have been easy to do the other way around, thinking about it, same way I did the other one. But the pliers come in handy. Oh, tweezers even. I would recommend, if you're doing a lighting kit, have a pair of tweezers and or snipe nose pliers available. Just to deal with some of the more fiddly aspects of it. Come on. And twist that up. There we go. That's it. And then through there, and finally through the same hole as those other cables outside. And once again, we're starting to get a nice connection of cables at this back end. And yeah, at this point, might as well put the wheels back on. And also confirm that. Right, that is a bit of a problem. My cunning plan to hold that cable in place is actually interfering with the wheel. So that's not going to work. Yeah, take that out and get that without taking the wheel off. Yep. Don't know if I've got a smooth equivalent. Actually, will this work? Is that going to get in the way as well? Take the wheel off again. Right. See if this piece makes a difference. Well, yeah, this looks like it might work. Yeah, that's fine. So, I've got another one. Right, now a little bit of a problem. Don't seem to have another one of those pieces. So I may just have to take this one off, as that's going to interfere just as much as the other side did. One place as well. Yeah, that's right. That's not sitting very well, but it isn't interfering. To be fair, I might just have to go without that spare piece on the other side, and so it doesn't interfere. Right, and yeah, the wheel works moving fine. So yeah, I think that will have to do for those wheel arches. So they're both done. On to the next stage, and I believe that will be the final stage.